What's the meaning of cicada? Cicada. Cicada.
Cicada. Cicada. A cicada is an insect that is known for its loud and distinctive buzzing sound. They are often found in trees and shrubs and are most commonly recognized by their transparent wings and large eyes. Cicadas are known for their unique life cycle, which involves spending most of their lives underground before emerging to mate and lay eggs. They are also important for their ecological role in pollination and as a food source for other animals. Overall, cicadas are fascinating insects that play an important role in many ecosystems.